Today we are going to discuss our important topic, how to balance ionic equation. So this is ionic equation. We have to balance this equation. For the kind information, let you tell that any equation is balanced in two medium, acidic or basic medium. So we have a equation that will be balanced by balancing acidic medium. So how to balance this ionic equation? Let us start. First of all, we check which one of the reactant is oxidized and which one of the reactant is reduced. So we have to find out oxidation number of Mn. Let oxidation number of Mn is X plus oxidation number of oxygen is -2 and oxygen is 4 equal -1. X minus 8 minus 1, x equal to 8 minus 1 plus 7. Here oxidation number of Mn is plus 7. Here oxidation number of Mn is plus 2. So decrease in oxidation number indicates this substance is reduced. This substance is reduced. And further, we have to find oxidation number of sulfur. Let oxidation number of sulfur as x plus 2 into -2 equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4. Oxidation number of sulfur is plus 4. Here oxidation number of sulfur, let oxidation number of sulfur x, oxidation number of hydrogen plus 1 plus oxidation number of oxygen -2 is equal to -1. 1 plus x minus 8 is equal to -1. X minus 7 is equal to -1. X equal to 7 minus 1 plus 6. Here oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6. So here the increase in oxidation number of sulfur. So this substance is oxidized. This substance is oxidized. Because increase in oxidation number, the substance is oxidized, and decrease in oxidation number of substance, the substance is reduced. So we have two equation. One is oxidation reaction, and second is reduction reaction. So we take two reactions. First is MnO4 minus change into Mn2 plus. This is reduction reaction. And second one is SO2 to HSO4 minus. This is oxidation reaction. So we balanced two separate reactions, and after that we add both of equation and we finally obtain this equation. Now we are going to balance this equation. So first of all we balance that element in which the oxidation number of it changes. So we balance that elements in the oxidation number of that element changes. Here the change in oxidation number of Mn is balanced on both sides. So there is no need to balance Mn. So we need to balance oxygen. For balancing oxygen, we add oxygen where the number of oxygen is less. Here 4 oxygen is less. We add water molecules. We add water molecules. Here 4 oxygen is greater than this side, so we add 4 water molecule is added. Further, here there is no H plus. We balance hydrogen in form of H plus. Here there are 8 hydrogen, so we balance hydrogen in form of H plus. So we will write 8H plus. 8H plus. Here this reaction is balanced, but we need to balance the charge of this reaction. So we balance the charge of the reaction here. 8 minus 1 plus 8 is equal to minus 7. Here plus 2. So we balance the ionic this reaction. This charge is equal to this. So how will we balance? We balance add of electron. So minus 9 means plus 9 electron is added on the right hand side. So this reaction plus 9 electron minus 7 sorry here plus minus 1 plus 8 है, this is equal to plus 7, this is equal to plus 2, 7 minus 5 equal to plus 2, here 5 electron is added. We need to balance charge, we add electron, here 5 electron is added on left hand side because this is reduction reaction. In the reduction reaction the substance is gain electron, that is why MnO4 minus 5 electron gain and then change into Mn2 plus. So this reaction is balanced with charge. Now we need to this reaction. Here the oxidation number of sulfur is 4, the oxidation number of sulfur is 6. The element in which the oxidation number is changing is sulfur, and sulfur is balanced on both sides. So we need to balance oxygen firstly. Here 2 oxygen, here 4 oxygen. 2 oxygen is less, so we add 2 water molecules. Now we will see 4 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogen less than, then we add 3 H plus. Hydrogen is balanced in the form of H plus. Now we will balance charge. Here minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Then here charge is 0. So we need to balance 0 is equal to 2. Here add 2 electron. So we add 2 electron here. Now both reduction reaction and oxidation reaction is balanced. Now this is equation first. This is equation second. We need to balance complete reaction. We add equation first and second, but we cancel out the electron. So we multiply 2 in the first equation and we multiply 5 in second equation, so that electron would cancel out each other. Then what will be the equation? There is 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus, here 10H2O plus 5SO2. Electron would cancel out each other. Here 2 Mn2 plus 8H2O plus 5HSO4 minus plus 15H plus. Now we will balance H2O. Here 10H2O, here 8H2O. So 8H2O comes here. 2 MnO4 minus plus 2H2O. This will subtract from 10H2O. Plus H plus, here 16H plus and here 15H plus, plus 5SO2 gives out 2 Mn plus 2 plus 5HSO4 minus. The reaction is balanced by ionic equation. So we have learned today how to balance ionic equation in acidic medium.